Good day, everyone. Today, we're going to talk about how lack of knowledge skills can impact the performance of grade 11 CSS students. So, before we dive into the study entitled Live Experience of CSS Students in Virtual Machine for Troubleshooting Skills, we'll explore how CSS students' troubleshooting abilities in virtual machine are influenced by their hands-on activities. So, Virtual Machine is an application that CSS students in Emiliano, Tria, Tirona, Memorial Integrated National High Schools uses to do their hands-on activities and troubleshooting skill. Chapter 1 covers the background of the study, statement of the problem, significance of the study, scope and delimitation, theoretical framework, and definition of terms. The background gives a glimpse into the history and origin of the study, while the statement of the problem examines whether knowledge and skills acquired through the study can help students resolve errors in the virtual machine. Scope and delimitation outline the boundaries of our study. The theoretical framework provides the foundation for the research. Lastly, definition of terms clarifies the key concept related to our study. Background of the study. Virtual machine developed since 1960s emulate physical computers, allowing installation and running multiple operating systems and application on a single machine, handling server consolidation, desktop virtualization, software development, and cloud computing. Statement of the problem. This study aims to equip CSS students with the necessary knowledge and skills to effectively troubleshoot errors in virtual machine, focusing on hardware use, student experience in repair, installation, hands-on activities, and challenges encountered. In Chapter 2, we'll delve into the review of related literature can support the enhance our study, drawing from both foreign and local sources to help us grow and develop our research. Chapter 3 covers the researcher's foundation, how they randomly selected the respondents to support their research. In research design, researchers explain how their study, construct, and create their study. Research instrument helps researchers to survey their randomly selected respondents to support their study, while research locate determine where does the researchers find their respondents. In research participants, they introduce the randomly selected respondents, and data analysis are the researchers what type of data gathering will they use to perform the Chapter 4. Here's the evidences that we gathered in surveying grade 11 CSS students.
So, Chapter 4 show how the researchers gather the data, analyze, and this represent the interpretation of findings. So, researchers gather the data by giving a following question for the respondent. After answering the question, researchers analyze the respondents' answers. In Chapter 5, a research summary is a brief overview of the main findings and conclusions drawn from the inquiry. Researchers found that challenges faced by students included overloaded computers, lack of resources, difficulty setting up, and slow performance during virtual machine experiment. Common solutions included troubleshooting, seeking help, checking system requirements, installing software, or seeking assistance from forums. Lack of knowledge and skill can hinder students' performance in practical exercises. The conclusion is the final section of the research paper where the researchers summarize the key findings, interprets and analyze their meaning, and draws conclusion or solution based on these findings. So, grade 12 CSS students at ETT MNIHS faces difficulties in virtual-based machine activities due to resource constraints, slow network connection, and technical issues. They believe that knowledge and practical experience are crucial for excelling and achieving better performance. Recommendation is referred to the suggestion and proposal that the researchers put forward to improve or address certain issues based on the finding and conclusion of the study. Students should have sufficient knowledge and skill to effectively troubleshoot in a virtual machine. They should balance their knowledge with hands-on activities for optimal performance.
So here in the screen is the references of the related review of the study.
That's all, and thank you everyone. Have a nice day.